Start with page 123. Please focus with me, guys. So if you don't understand it yesterday, you can't understand it today, inshallah. So we are on page 123. I'm in question 1, right? We have three what? Three inequalities. Y more than or equal to, and x is more than or equal 1, less than or equal 5, and y less than or equal x plus 3, and the function f of xy equals 3x minus 2y. And as yesterday, they want us to graph the system, to name the coordinate of the vertices of the visible region, which is bounded or unbounded, what we did yesterday. Then we need to find the maximum and the minimum values of the function. As we said, this function, we leave it until the end, right? Till after the second function. But these inequalities, we will work most of our work about these inequalities, right? Now, as we did in solving system of inequalities, we need to graph the common area of the solution of each one, right? So let's start with the first one. Now, the first one, this I will call it inequality 1, inequality 1, equality 2, and equality 3. Let's start with equality 1. Y equal 2. Y equal what? Do we have x? No, this is line. Cuts the y-axis at. So no need to find intercepts here. But the second one, we have two inequalities, vectors. The second one, x is more than or equal 1 less than or equal 5, right? Here we have two inequalities, x more than or equal 1 and not or and x less than or equal 5. So here I have this part, I will say x equal 1. This part, I will say x equal what? So I have two lines. One x at x equal 1 and one at x equal 5. So they are done. So if we don't have two variables, means we have lines, direct lines, no need to find intercepts. Better? Where we find the intercept? If we have x and y at the same equality. So here in equality 3, we have y less than or equal x plus 3, means y equal x plus 3. If x 0, y is 3, right? If y 0, x will be push the 3 here negative. Done? Done? Now, after you prepare your inequalities here, you are ready to graph. Let's graph in full page. Okay? X equal what? X equal what? Wait for Allah. Yes? نحن حكينا هاي two inequalities. X more than or equal 1 and x less than or equal 5. These two inequalities. X more than or equal 1 and x less than or equal what? 5. يعني أخذت هذا البارت لحال وهذا البارت لحال. اقرأها قريبا. X more than or equal 1 and x less than or equal 5. These are both. Here, make it line x equal 1. Make it line x equal 5. This is what I did here. Just I'm preparing my lines to graph them. Now let's graph inequality 1 up there. Let's just plot for that. Come on. It is y equal what? 2. And we have all of them equal signs, right? All of them are equal signs, mean all of them are continuous line, no points, right? So let's graph y equal to. Let's graph y equal to. So I will go to the 2 here. This is the 2 in y-axis, right? And this is what? Yeah, this is y equal to. Straight line cuts the y-axis at what? 2. Right? The second one, the lines for x equal 1 and x equal 5. So I'll go to x equal 1, I will use red one for x equal, before that, let's shade, right? We need to shade for each one. Y less more than or equal to. If you have horizontal line, guys, more than up, less than down, means the values of y here is more than 2. The values of down here. So here, up. Sorry. Up. Okay? This is the first equality. But the second equality, we said x equal 1 and x equal 5. This is the one. I will make it big, Malas. This is the one, and this is what? The 5. How we graph x equal 1? This is x equal 1. Straight line. Vertical line. By the way, y equal 2 is a function. X equal 1 is not a function. Okay? Y equal function. X equal have this function. Have a line. Y, remember 1 to 1? We said a relation is a function if it's 1 to 1, right? Is this line 1 to 1? What the meaning of 1 to 1? Each value in the domain got one value only in the domain. Here, all the values of x, sorry, this one, all of them have the same value, right? So x equal having this function, y equal is a function. It's not our subject, but to be sure. Of x equal 5, this is x equal 5, right? Now x is more than 1 and less than 5, right? So I'm talking about x between them. So here, the value which I want. Done? Done. Done. Now what we have, sorry. Now the third one is 3, x negative 3 and y is 3. X is 3 and y is negative 3. X is 3, it is between 1 and 5. Right? X negative 3, are you sure? Yeah, x is 3, negative 3 and y is 3. So here is the negative 3. Y is 3, it is more than what? The 2, right? I need to make it bigger. Huh? I need to make it bigger. Do we have negative values? No. So most of the graph will be up, right? Fine. I'm sorry. We said the 2 must work. And we said it is up. And we have 1 and 5 for the x's. And we said it is between them. That's how it works. And then negative 3, the third one, 3 and negative 3 and the 3, right? Something like this. Okay. So here we have point, right? But check them out. Good. Now, where we will shade? We said we always check 0, 0 for this one. Check 0, 0. This is the 0, 0, right? Let's check the 0, 0. Even it's lower or upper the line, the blue line. Let's check 0, 0 here. Yeah. Is 0 less than 0 plus 3, 0 less than 3, so it's correct. So all of it will be, this is, down, all of it. Now the area which has blue, red, and black, so which is this one. I will choose different color to this one. Okay, this one here, right? صح؟ bounded 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 يعني مسكرة. Yesterday, if you remember, we had something like this. Well, here open. This is the one, right? Here open, not closed. Here we have bounded. This point, this point, this point, and this point. We have 4 points, right? Closed. We call it quadrilateral. Means how many sides? 4 sides, right? So, bounded and bounded. So, here bounded. How many points we have? So, I have 4 points. 2 of them I can find them directly. This one and this one. This one we said 1 with 2, right? So this one is ready because we have lines. X is 1, Y is how much? Well, so 1 and 2. This one is 1 and 2. So I'll prepare my points now. I'll make my table. The first point is 1 and 2. The second point is here 5 and 2. This one, right? So 5 and 2. And second point, 5 and 2. Now, let's take a look to the third and the fourth. عرفنا كيف طلعنا البوينت هذه والبوينت هذه؟ Are you sure? X is 1, Y is 2. X is 5, Y is 2 also. So here 1 and 2, here 5 and 2. Listen. But this point here. Yesterday you said you can take it directly from the graph. Yeah, I'm with you. But can I make it like this from the graph? Do I know what's this point? I know this one. This one is how much? 1. But do I know the Y here? No. I don't know the Y. But at this case, how I will find it? Now this is between X equal 1 and the blue graph, right? But X equal 1 and what? I'll go back. Between X equal 1, مظبوط, and Y equal X equals 3, right? But if X equal 1, replace X by 1, Y will be what? 4. So I have 1 and what? 4. So I'll go to my graph. This one will be 1 and what here? 4, which makes sense. If this is 3, this will be 4, right? مين مش عارف كيف طلعت هذه؟ Yeah. X equal what here? هذا اللاين لمين؟ هذا اللاين لل1 وهذا اللاين الازرق لهذا. صح؟ But if X equal 1, put X1 here. Y will be what? 4. So the point is what? 1 and 4. 1 and 4. So the third point is what? 1 and 4. Have 1 or 4. Still what?
Hi, teacher.
Still the fourth point. Sorry about that. Sorry. Now, still what? The fourth point. Rahim. Still the fourth point, this one, right? This one between the same line, but Y is what? X is what? 5. So replace Y by X by 5 in the equation. It will be what here? X is what? Between x5 and this line. Replace x by 5, y will be what? 8. So we have 5 and 8. So here 5 and 8. Now what's the function? What's the function? The function 3x minus 2y. Go there. 3x minus 2y. Now substitute to know which one is the maximum and which one is minimum. Replace x by 1, replace y by 2. 3 multiply 1 minus 2 multiply 2 equal 3 minus 4 negative 1. Here 3 multiply 5 minus 2 multiply 2. 15 minus 4 11. Here 3 multiply 1 minus 2 multiply 4, right? It's 3 minus 8 negative 5. Here 3 multiply 5 minus 2 multiply 8. 15 minus 16 negative 1. So here is the minimum and here is the now what we say, guys, how we express the answer, how we say the answer. We said the function has a minimum value which is negative 5, where at the point 1 and 4. We have two things here to ask about. What is the minimum value? Negative 5. Where it happens at this point. Right? What is the maximum value? 11. Where it happens at 5 and 2. So how we say it as full sentence? We say the function has a maximum value at 11 at mean 5 and 2. Has minimum value negative 5 at 1 and 4. Huh? No, this is how we understand the answer. Yani minimum and maximum خلنا بالextreme, right? We said we have two questions about it. Where is the minimum happen? Where at x equal. How much it is? Y equal. Yes. Check your answers, guys. I'll go back here. Who needs this one? Guys, who needs this page? Start. The graph. ما حدا يجيب الجراف كل كاتبها. طيب the last table يلا بسرعة. Okay. يلا هلا. Yes. I think 2 hours. I'm not sure. Huh? I don't know. It's not my work to manage that. I just gave them my done. Back. Also, I don't know. انت بتسالني اشياء هذا الشغل كده. Done. Done. Let's go to the question 5, right? Yeah, the question 5. نهدى شوي. Guys, please. Question 5, I'm on the same page, 123. In question 5, we have x more than or equal 1, y less than or equal 6, y more than or equal x minus 2. and the function f of xy equal x minus y. نهدى شوية please. Now I'll start with this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, yes?
What's for x minus y?
Where? Function? Question 5, wala
X minus y.
X minus y. Yeah. So 1, 2, 3. Let's start with 1. X. Start with equality 1. X more than or equal 1. This is a line. X equal what? 1. Leave it. Class, hold on. No intercepts here. We have one intercept, which is x intercept, which is 1. Right? Bar 2. Also a line, right? Y less than or equal 6 means y equal. This is y intercept. The third one, the y more than or equal what? X minus 2. Now here we have intercepts, 2 intercepts. So if x equals 0, y equals 2. If y equals 0, x equals. Now I'm ready for what? For graphing. I'm ready for graphing. This graph here. First one, x equal 1. Have it 1. Have x equal 1, right? But now if you have vertical line, less than means to the left. More than means to the right. If you have vertical line. If you have horizontal line, more than up, less than down. But here x is more than 1. So I'm going where? To the right. Don't forget, this is what? 1. But the second one, y equal 6. This is 6. Y equals 6. Assume this is 6. So this is y equals 6. Alright? But y is less than or equal 6. So I'm going where? Down. So all this. Right? Good. But the third one, x equal 2 and y equal negative 2. But y equal negative 2, this is y equal negative 2 here. Right? X equal 2. This is 1. So here, x equal what? 2. So, let's look at that. Yeah. Right? Now, up or down, let's check 0, 0. This is the 0, 0. Right? Yeah. Is 0 more than negative 2? Yes. So I'm going where? Up. We have triangle, right? We have triangle. See the triangle? مظبوط triangle. But how many points we have? Three points. Point 1, point 2. This line I will just extend the red a little bit here. See, this is point 2, right? And this is what? Point 3. But there is a point we can find it directly. Bounded. Yeah, there is a point we can find it directly. This one. This one with x equal 1 and y equal 6. So this one is what? 1 and 6. 1 and 6. 1 and 6. Have a line الأسود إيش؟ x equal 1. والله الأحمر 6. So this point 1 and 6. right? So I'm ready to prepare my points now. I'm ready to prepare my points. أول وحدة 1 and 6. طيب, the second point. Focus with me, you can find it mentally. This one here. See this one?
2 and 1.
This X is how much? 1.
1 and 2.
If is this 2? ركز. اللي بيحكي 1 and 2. This is 1, ما اختلفنا. طب is this the y 2? لا. Well, it's not 1 and 2. We will find it. How we will find it? We will go to the red line, blue line. This one. X is how much? 1. Replace x by 1. 1 minus 2, negative 1, right? So here, what's the point? 1 and negative 1. So here, no. 1 and negative 1. So here I have 1 and negative 1. Plus, touch. Go back to the graph. Here. Practice. Here y is how much? 6. I need to find mean x. So I will go to the inequality, the blue one. Y is 6, right? Replace y by 6. Put the negative 2 here. 6 plus 2, 8. So x is how much? 8. Good. This point again, it's between the red and the blue. The red is y6, hey. The blue is this one. Replace y by 6 and push the negative 2 here, it will be 8. So x is how much? 8. Y 6. So I'll go to x, 8 and 6. Huh? 1 and negative 1, the second point. This one. This one, I know x of 8. How much? 1. And the blue one, this one, right? Replace x by 1. فاهم ازاي؟ مش يعني يا يا لا. لا. هاي بعيد فيه. This one, the first one. بين مين ومين هذا؟ احكي لي. بين مين ومين هذه البوينت؟ Intersected between which two lines? The red one, أعطيني colors. The red one and the black one, right? Not 6 and 1 يا ابني. It's y and x. It is x and y. Okay? What's the black one? Right. Rahim. This point يا مستر. طلع البوينت هذه بين مين ومين؟ colors. Which two lines? Black and red. The black is how much? With red. So, طلع table. We have 1 and 6. فهمنا؟ طب the second point. This one here. Or this one, sorry. This one between which two lines? The black and the blue. This is the black. How much x? 1. And this is the blue. Replace x by the given value now, which is 1, right? 1 minus 2 minus 1. So here is 1 and minus 1, right? The third point, this one, between which two colors? Red and the blue. The red is how much? 6. The blue, this one. This time I will replace the y by 6 because y is 6. Replace y 6. Find x. Push the negative 2 here. It will be 6 plus 2. So x is how much? 8. So, now I'm ready to calculate. What's the function? X minus y. So I'll go here and write my function and calculate f of xy. Calculate. X minus y means 1 minus 6 equal negative 5. 1 minus minus 1, right? Is 2. Here 8 minus 6. It is 2 also. So here I have to look at the graph. look at the graph. لا, this point طلع point هذه والpoint هذه. Both are what? Maximum. Both are maximum for the graph. Right. And this point and this point. Wait. Sorry. اللي طلعوا معانا 2 2 1 and negative 1 و 8 and 6. Yeah, the next one here. This one and this one, right? And this one becomes what? The minimum, depending on our calculations. So we'll go to the table and see. So what will we say about this negative 1? 5 minimum. And here both of them. Okay. Done? Done. Yeah. Do we or did you understand the idea? Are you sure? Good. Which one? هلا احنا امس on the board if you remember. I'll stop here. I'll stop here, guys. That's all for the online. Thank you.